Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. And if you don't know me, I'm Chris. My guitar channel is Absolute Guitar Avenue. I do guitar solo tutorials and I help beginners learn the guitar. Alright, let's start this lesson. So go to the 15th fret on the B string. It's going to be 2 whole step bends. Then 13, 15, 16 on the B string. And then that same bend again. Then go up to 16. Then slide from the 16th to the 15th on the B. And then pull off from the 18 on the B to the 16 to the 15. And slide to the 11th on the B string. And then a hammer onto the 13th. And then a whole step bend on the 13th fret of the B string. And then a whole step bend on the 15th fret on the B. Then hammer on to the 11th to the 13th. Then hammer on pull off to the 11th and 13th. Slide to the 9 from the 11. And then hammer on pull off to the 8 and 9 on the B. To the 10 on the G. So all together. Then from there you play the 10th fret on the G string, and then 13 and 13 on the B. And then 10 on the high E. If you get value out of this lesson, make sure to like and subscribe. 10, 11, 13 on the high E. Whole step bend on the 13th fret of the high E. Pick that twice. Then go to the 18th fret with a whole step bend. And then a slow release. Then hammer on pull off to the 15 and 16. And then the 15th fret on the high E one more time. So the whole solo. Okay, now the main guitar solo. Bend on the 10th fret. And then pull off the 10 to the 8. And then 8 and 8 on the going up from the B to the G. And then slide from the 8 to the 7. So slowly. If you're enjoying this content, I'll leave a card up here. You could check out some more videos of mine. Then he slides to the 10th fret on the D, to the 8th fret on the G, back to the 10th fret on the D. Then a half step bend, then on the B string. Then a whole step bend on the G string. Back to the 8 on the B, up to the 8 on the G, then a hammer on pull off from the 8 to the 10. To 8, 10, 8. Release it, pull off to the 8, slide to the 7. Then he slides from the 10th fret on the high E string to the 11th. back to the 10th, and then the 11th on the, then to the 11th fret on the B string, to the 10th fret on the G, slides to the 8, to the 7. From the 5 and 6 on the D string, and to the 4, 5 on the G string, to the 7, 8 on the G, to the 8, 9 on the G, to the 7, 8 on the high E, to the 10 and 11 on the high E. Then he does a whole step bend on the 13th fret in the high E. Then 13 and 11 to 13 on the B string. Then here what he does a whole step bend on the 11th fret and then taps on the 13th fret. Then goes to the 11 and 13 on the high E, bends up a whole step, tap on the 14th and then 16th and then release it. And then bend on the 18th fret, then to the 15th fret on the high E, and then tremolo pick on the 15, 16, 19, and 20. And then a whole step bend on the 20th fret. All the way here at the end of my video, I'll leave a playlist so you could check out some more videos of mine. And I'll see you in the next one.